Welcome to Crypto Connection, keeping you connected to the world of crypto. Today, we're going to take a look at Android and iOS apps for the crypto enthusiast. If you go into the App Store today, you'll find tons of apps aimed at the crypto investor. Some of them are good, a few are great, but a lot of them are just garbage, or even worse, they could be harmful. In this episode, I'm going to spotlight my favorite apps in each of 5 categories. To begin with, everyone has to have an on-ramp into the crypto market. There are surprisingly few ways currently in the US to convert fiat into crypto. For years now, Coinbase has been a leader in the market, and that's the way it still stands today. Coinbase allows you to link a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your Coinbase account, and then transfer fiat into either Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Coinbase has had its fair share of issues lately, but at the time of writing this, Coinbase is still the king. If you haven't set up a Coinbase account, check out the referral link in the description below. It allows both of us to get a free $10 in Bitcoin. And once you've transferred your fiat into crypto, you'll most likely want to transfer some of those funds to an exchange to purchase other coins that aren't available directly with fiat. Binance is my top pick here. Binance is one of the fastest growing exchanges right now, and they offer most of the hottest coins on the market. On top of that, their interface is very intuitive and user-friendly. If you don't have a Binance account, again, make sure you check out the referral links below. It doesn't cost you anything and it really helps the channel out. Everyone needs a good wallet, so my pick for the best mobile wallet is Coinami. No one wants to have to download several different apps to have a place to store all the different coins that they accumulate. Coinami helps alleviate this by supporting a wide range of different coins. The Coinami wallet supports over 100 coins and tokens currently. Their source code is publicly available so that you know everybody is staying honest. Coinami is secure and you always have full control of your keys. The interface is very user-friendly, and as if that wasn't enough, Coinami has taken things a step further. By integrating with Shapeshift and Changely, they even eliminate the need for an exchange in many cases. For those of you whom privacy is a concern, your account with Coinami is completely anonymous, and the Coinami servers hide your IP address from prying eyes. When it comes to keeping track of all those coins in one central location, I use Folio. Folio's interface is simple and easy to understand. The app also keeps you informed with all the top news stories through their newsfeed. The one drawback to Folio is that you have to enter each transaction you make manually. There are some newer apps on the market today that track and update your purchases automatically through API integration. However, maybe it's due to their familiarity I have with Folio already, or just the simplicity of it, but I always end up going back to it. When it comes to doing research on coins, I've become very fond of a new app called Cheddar. The Cheddar app has all the basic information, including charts, links to the coin's website, information about supply, and even reviews. Their database includes what has to be thousands of coins, tokens, ICOs, and even services and apps. If for some reason you don't find the coin or service you're looking for, they even allow users to submit their own additions. I've added a couple of coins myself this way, and the process is really simple. Usually only takes a day or two to receive a confirmation from the Cheddar team that your submission has been added. This app even lets users tip reviewers in the coin of their choice. Well, there you have it. That's a quick rundown of the apps that I use. What are your favorite apps out there? Let me know. I'd love to hear in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button to make sure you catch all our future videos. In the meantime, check out one of our other great videos right here. Until next time, take care.